Welcome to this comprehensive guide on proof of stake, one of the most energy-efficient consensus mechanisms in blockchain technology. Proof of stake represents a revolutionary approach to securing blockchain networks while dramatically reducing environmental impact. Throughout this presentation, you'll discover how this consensus mechanism works, why it differs from traditional mining, and why it's becoming the preferred choice for modern blockchain networks. Proof of stake is a consensus mechanism where validators are chosen to create new blocks based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and lock up as collateral. Unlike traditional mining, validators stake their coins to participate in network security. The selection process is based on stake size rather than computational power, which fundamentally changes how blockchain networks operate. This approach ensures that those with a financial stake in the network are the ones responsible for maintaining its integrity. The staking process involves 4 key steps. First, validators deposit and lock a minimum amount of cryptocurrency as collateral, demonstrating their commitment to the network. Second, these staked funds make the validator eligible to validate transactions and enter the validator pool. Third, the network uses a selection algorithm to randomly choose validators based on stake size and other factors. Finally, selected validators create blocks and earn rewards in the form of transaction fees plus block rewards. This process creates a continuous cycle of participation and rewards. Proof-of-stake networks use several methods to select validators fairly. Randomized selection is the primary method, where an algorithm randomly picks validators weighted by their stake size. Coin age considers how long coins have been staked without being used, rewarding patient validators. Stake size priority means larger stakes increase the probability of selection, but fairness factors prevent concentration by balancing selection across all validators. These combined methods ensure that the network remains decentralized while still being efficient. Once selected, validators verify transactions, create new blocks, and broadcast them to the network for confirmation by other validators. This validation process is crucial for maintaining the blockchain's integrity. Validators earn rewards through 2 main sources. Block rewards consist of new cryptocurrency tokens issued for creating blocks, while transaction fees are paid by users for processing their transactions. These dual reward mechanisms ensure validators remain motivated to perform their duties honestly and efficiently. To understand proof of stake better, let's compare it with proof of work. Proof of work is a consensus mechanism where miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles using computational power. This process requires powerful hardware to perform trillions of calculations per second. The first miner to solve the puzzle wins the block reward and the right to add the next block to the blockchain. While proof of work has proven secure, it comes with significant energy costs and environmental concerns. The differences between these 2 consensus mechanisms are substantial. Proof of work uses computational power as its primary resource, requiring mining with specialized hardware and consuming very high amounts of electricity. Security comes from computational difficulty. In contrast, proof of stake uses staked cryptocurrency as its resource. Participation involves staking coins as collateral rather than mining, resulting in minimal energy consumption. Security is maintained through economic incentives and penalties rather than computational barriers. This fundamental shift makes proof of stake far more sustainable. The energy efficiency of proof of stake is remarkable. Studies show that proof of stake uses 99.95% less energy compared to proof of work. This dramatic reduction brings multiple benefits. First, it drastically reduces the carbon footprint of blockchain operations. Second, there's no need for specialized mining equipment, making participation more accessible. Third, it enables sustainable long-term blockchain operation without environmental concerns. Fourth, validators enjoy lower operational costs since they don't need to pay for massive amounts of electricity. These advantages make proof of stake the environmentally responsible choice for blockchain networks. Security in proof of stake is maintained through the slashing mechanism. Validators who act maliciously or fail to perform their duties lose a portion of their staked cryptocurrency. There are three main scenarios that trigger slashing. Downtime penalties occur when validators are offline when selected to validate. Double signing happens when a validator validates two different blocks at the same height, which could compromise network integrity. Malicious actions, such as attempting to attack or manipulate the network, result in the most severe penalties. This economic security model ensures validators have strong incentives to act honestly, as bad behavior directly costs them money. Proof of stake offers numerous advantages that make it attractive for modern blockchain networks. It's environmentally friendly with minimal energy consumption and carbon emissions. The mechanism provides higher scalability through faster transaction processing and block confirmation times. Lower barriers to entry exist since no expensive mining equipment is required, making network participation more democratic. Economic security is robust because attackers risk losing their staked assets if they try to compromise the network. These combined advantages explain why many new blockchain projects choose proof of stake and why existing networks are transitioning to this consensus mechanism. Let's review the key points about proof of stake. First, it uses staked cryptocurrency instead of computational power to secure the network. Second, validators are selected based on stake size and randomization, ensuring fair participation. Third, proof of stake uses 99.95% less energy than proof of work, making it environmentally sustainable. Finally, security is maintained through economic incentives and slashing penalties that discourage malicious behavior. Proof of stake represents the future of sustainable blockchain technology, offering a viable path forward as blockchain adoption grows. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has given you a comprehensive understanding of how proof of stake works and why it matters.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.